Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted to present this kind of videos and help you, our dear clients and followers, with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rentals of real estate properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. We are now at the beginning of the year. About the weather a little bit. It's cold in Spain. We have now 9 degrees. In the night was 3 degrees. It was extremely cold for us. We are suffering because it's the lowest temperature you can have in the winter time. But as you see, now we have a sunny day, and from tomorrow we will have a normal Spanish winter weather. So, and today I will show you one studio. Honestly, this is one of the best studios I've seen last time. I very like this object. Why? Because we are now located in Torre La Mata, on between Torrevieja and La Mata, just 400 meters away from La Mata beach, in one of the best places because you have a lot of infrastructure in the surroundings, commercial centers, green parks, schools, everything is here. It's a very nice and beautiful area. I like very much Torre La Mata. And here in this development, friends, we have the studio for 120,000 euro with 53 square meter size, south facing. As you see, I'm enjoying the sun now already. Nice balcony, ground floor. The community offers a nice green area with pool, which you can see straight from the property. And friends, this is a closed gate community. We have a parking spot, communal parking outside. You can park your car, you can go by the stairs down here and enter straight to your studio that was completely, yes, I must say that before it was other type of ground floor, and in the year 2020, 6 years ago, five and something years ago, it has completely rebuilt, and now there's 5 studio apartments that are looking to the community and have a own separate entrance. And now let's go inside. This nice studio, ground floor studio apartment has 53 square meter size. If you compare it to the Spanish standards, it's almost 1 bedroom apartment. And you will see that it's actually big enough. This is the main entrance, security door. The apartment has only 5 years, a little bit more than 5 years. Everything is brand new, nice qualities. We have an AC machine. We have a nice big window. We have a view to this nice community. As you see, it's winter and it's south facing, and we have sun now, and it's afternoon. We will have sun all the day. Fully equipped kitchen with all the white goods. You have this bar here to have your breakfast and enjoy the community view. Also small dining area here. We have also a living space. Everything that you see is included. Of course, the private things not. It's a little bit busy, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, but it will go out. Imagine this without the staff, and you have more space. Of course, the chairs go out, the scooters go out. But as you see, you can also put some stuff here. It's a very big size studio. You can enjoy here in this living area. And friends, follow me now. Check out. You have another couch here to sit and check out this double bed for 2 people. It's perfect for a couple, or if you want to rent it out for short term, for holidays, because this place rents very good. We have wardrobe here to storage your things. And when I came here, I was so wondered. In this studio, we even have a washroom on which the wash machine and the water boiler is. And yeah, I like the color of the floor tiles. It's like a wood style. Looks very hot and comfortable. And doors, everything is new, friends. Everything is new and looks in a very good condition. The bedroom has more or less 6 square meter size. Studio bathroom. It's very big. And look, you have even bidet, toilet. It's a lot of space It's very spacey. It's perfect to enjoy here. It's also perfect for somebody to live. You have a lot of space on this case. Yes, it's very nice studio, closed gate community. You have parking spot outside. You are in one of the best areas of our city, all the infrastructure. This private terrace, nice view, south facing, nice community, closed gate. I repeat myself, but yes, for 120,000, definitely this is a very good option. Big week. Share this video with your family, your friends. Maybe somebody is looking for a nice studio in our city. And yeah, subscribe this channel. Give us a like. If you need any details, you have my contact number here. And yeah, I wish you all the best in this year. And see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.